at editing scheduled times that the public can book. So in order for them to book, you'll have to have added it to your schedule settings. So we'll click axe throwing, and then you can see the existing spots we have in place, 12 to 9 every day. If I go to the public schedule, you can see that over here. So May 5th, you can see 12 to 9 is open. Let's go back and let's take off May 5th. So we're going to take Cinco de Mayo out, say it's a holiday, and I just deleted it just like that. Now if I come back and click, you can see no times are available. Now, let's say we need to redo our whole schedule or delete in mass bulk. So maybe for all of our dates, so this will automatically go to our furthest date, and we want to restructure our Mondays and Tuesdays. Maybe we don't want them, and we'll choose the axe throwing product, and we can delete them all here. Now when we come out here and refresh, we won't see any times for Mondays or Tuesdays. And you can see nothing's available there. Now if we want to add some products back on, we can come here and choose whatever. Maybe we want to do knife throwing and axe throwing on Mondays and Tuesdays. And we want to offer it from 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. And we'll set the calendar. I usually set it to the end of the year. And boom, just like that. We're now going to have Mondays and Tuesdays available for booking, which they are.